Here is how to view all devices logged into your Apple ID. So first of all, open up Settings app. Then simply you will see your name, and under name, Apple account, iCloud and more. So basically tap on this specific first option. Next step, you just scroll down and here you are. You will see a list of accounts that log in to any of your device. You will see under name platform that use it. For example, in my specific order now, my name of iPhone Partier and this iPhone 13, that means I log in to this specific device. When you want to log out from any of device, you just need manually one by one tap on one of your login account to this specific device and tap on remove from account.